When the rain comes down, experts say it may not stop until tomorrow evening, gathering up to 20 inches before clearing out. Emergency crews throughout Kerrville and Kerr County are preparing. Barricades are being put up to deter people from crossing dangerously high waters. Authorities are hoping residents heed the warnings, especially as heavy rains are expected throughout the next couple of days.
I've lost several friends in, this river. Some from driving right into it, not seeing, especially at night. Last night we got some really, really strong rains. Got a little nervous, thinking, okay, we got the same thing that happened July 4th, but it settled out pretty quick.
Again, authorities are warning people not to drive around the barricades and through flooded areas. As our First Alert weather team monitors conditions, we will be sure to update you on any situations that arise from this. We'll have the latest developments for you on air and online at cbsnewstexas.com.